Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by. So today I'd like to do a journal with me in my fun journal, which is my Midori A5 1Day1Page diary. Yeah, currently I've been recording quite a lot of videos in my fun journal, which I think is good. So let's just start. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. Okay, hopefully that's good. Yeah, because if my camera is way too too high up, I can't see I can't see whether I'm in the range or whether I'm out of range. And I want to clip my Albert Einstein. Okay, let's start. So I want to create some of my vintage ephemera. I'm taking out some papers. I think this is nice, and maybe this. I want the bigger ones rather than the the N5 size, because I want to create bigger ephemeras. I have a whole stack here which I've cut up here and there to use. Let's just choose a few colors. I might not use all of them, but this tree for now. Do you want the screen? I think this tree for now. Sorry, my lighting is like a bit dark here. Let me change my lighting. Let's see how it works. I think this is better, right? Yeah. Okay. That will do. Okay. I'm gonna shift things around a bit. So here I took out some of my Cyanic Nature stamp. It's because of my where I stay is a bit it's not a bit, it's very humid. It rains a lot, so you can see that the wooden peg actually changes color. Yeah, so this one is still okay because this is still new. I got this not long ago. This as well. So yeah, it's still new compared to this. As you can see, it's already changed color. Anywho, so these are Cyanic Nature stamp I want to use on, I think this one will look good, right? Yes. So I want to stamp on my book so that I have some cushion and it get a clearer image. Okay, so if I can get a straight image. Sorry if it's shaking. That's one thing with bigger stamps. Sometimes you have to press really hard at everywhere so that you can get everything on the paper. This side is still fine. So if it's like a little bit more bigger, sometimes you can't get it in the middle, especially, which yeah, that's one of the thing when that I'm reluctant to use big stamps, because yeah, you can't get like a clear image on everything. This is still fine because it's not that big. Furthermore, the image is not like those with a lot of space to fill up with stamps. Sorry if I'm incoherent. Okay, this is good. And I noticed someone doing something else. Something like this. I need a pencil. I want to try it. My son took my mechanical pencil away and I can only find this very better pencils with watercolor. I don't know, watercolor or something. Also the work of my son. So here I want to like do a marking here. Okay, then I want to cut the whole thing out first. This is still new, so let's just do it now. Let's just use it. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Hopefully I can get it straight. Let's hope it's straight. Please be straight. Yeah, please be straight. Not very, but let's see the outcome. So I'm gonna just fold this over like this. ink is sort of, you know, transferring. That's okay. Yeah, I saw someone did this and I think it's gorgeous. Here, I'm just gonna trim it a little bit. And this way. And this way too. Okay, I need to... the ink is like going onto my fingers, going onto the side of the paper, but I think that's fine. Let me see. There's a little bit too much space here. Maybe I want to trim the side too. Hold on. There. Yeah, I think this looks better now. I saw someone did this and I really like how this turns out. Even though this is not like super straight, but I think that's still fine. And I'm gonna stamp this wording stamp in here. This one is also new. Are you guys focusing? Hopefully you are. Yeah, so I think this one, yeah, I'm gonna put it there. So this is this wording stamp, all from Cyanic Nature. Focus, focus, okay. Oh, there's something here. Okay, done. So let's just stamp it right here. Perfect. Gorgeous, right? So this is the outcome of these 3 stamps. Right. Ta-da! Okay, I want another strip. This is actual vintage stickers, and this is another CY stamp. Ta-da! Focus. Yeah, something like this. CY. So I'm gonna stamp it right here. This one also not used yet. New. Pretty new. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna stamp it right here. Perfect. I saw someone doing this too. Yeah, I think it's gorgeous. And I'm gonna actually want to do something here. Yes. Okay, so I have my new We Are Memory Keepers puncher and eyelid setter. Okay, but this will do. So, 15 minutes just for one piece of ephemera. That's way too long. Let's move on. So I want a little bit of background here. Let's put that down. Hopefully I can get a straight image. Yeah. Well, it's challenging to stamp on your left page at the start of the book. Yeah, but it's okay. I guess that will do. Guess this is good. And I'm gonna just, yeah, put this. Do you think I should put another, like, washi tape or something? Yeah, I think so. Want to use this MT. I think somewhere here will do. Is it straight? Hopefully it is. Okay. Done. This is a little bit bulging because of the eyelids, but I think that's fine. It's cute too, right? I like this. I like this. And this one is nice too. Gorgeous. Okay, I think I want something from my, yeah, what do you call this? My vintage stickers folder. I like this one. And let's do, yeah, something of this. One little green one here. Okay, let's see. How should I do this? This way, perhaps. Or here. Or here. This one here. This one here. Sorry, I'm trying to look for a place where I think it looked good. Now I think I still want to go with this one. Or just this. Yeah, I think this one and maybe this way. I still like it this way first. Okay, let's put this down. Right. Put it this way. Perfect. This one. This is water activated. You can put water if you want, but of course the paper will become a little bit crumpled, you know. So I rather use the glue tape. This is an actual, you know, registered postmarks water activated sticker. Right, I got it from, I think, SC very long time ago. Okay, and I'm gonna just stamp it right here. Traces of time. And a postmark stamp here. Looks great. So I guess this page is done. Oops. I quite like the outcome of it. Simple. Even though I put in some time to do it because I need to do this thing. Yeah. You can't go wrong with CY or Cyanic Nature stamp. Very gorgeous. 20 minutes coming. So let's do this page. I have this wording stamp which is from Cetacea. It was pretty popular. I didn't know it was this big. So yeah, I think I want to use this. Let me move this over a little bit, but not all. Maybe just, you know, a little bit. You know, like a, yeah, background here. Or maybe here. You know, just like this. Okay, let's try. I used the first two lines before. So now I'm gonna just do this here. Yes, this part. So let's get brown color. No, I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna use this one. Do I have a brown color? Yes, I have for this. Let's just get you know, some very random shapes of the wording as background. So when you have a big stem like this, and sometimes you don't need to use like everything. Am I getting it right? Not sure. Let's just randomly do some shapes here and there. Okay. Let me put it right here. Whatever shape it is, that's fine, because this is just a background. I love the font of this. Right, so yeah. Oh, perfect. Not too big, just nice. So, and the, you know, like I said, I like the font. It's thin. It's nice. It's just, yeah, it's just perfect. And I like this wooden peg too. For now, it's still not like changing color. It's still not moldy. Yeah, so it's still very white and nice. Hopefully it'll stay this way. Okay, I want to create another paper ephemera with my Cyanic Nature stamp again. This one is something of mine though. These two are Cyanic Nature. This is a frame stamp. And this is like a plant stamp, right? This is super, not super, but it's new, yeah. I haven't used it yet, so I'm gonna use it right now for the first time. But first, I want to create this frame stamp first. Perfect. It doesn't fit like perfectly in the frame because, yeah, they are not like really made for that, but it still looks good, right? At least the plant fitted perfectly. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Okay, I'm gonna trim this out. Gorgeous, right? Oops, upside down. Thing is gorgeous. So I want to layer it here. And I think I want to punch a hole on top to put a ribbon through. I'm not gonna use the regular hole punch. I'm gonna use this ID punch card. So I'm gonna just punch it. Is it in the middle? There. Perfect. And what type of ribbon? Of course I have this Ephemera. Where is it? Oh, I want to use this one. Yeah, this has been like I have a long one on this, which is, I love the color, it's gorgeous. So maybe, yeah, I can get one here. Okay. So here, oh sorry, are you guys out of frame? So here, I'm just gonna use a stapler. Yeah, I'm grabbing my Tim Holtz stapler. I'm not gonna stamp on the paper. I'm just gonna stamp on the ribbon so it will just stay put. Yes. There. Awesome, awesome. I think this looks good. I love how it turns out. And I got some vintage tickets from my vintage tickets folder. I'm gonna put it right here. I think it looks good. Okay. Put it right here. Perfect. And I think I want to put a strip of my Midori Choto. Yeah, I think this is good. I like this one. I think I need to, yeah. Just keep this part then. Yep. And where is the Okay. We'll stay put. I think I'm gonna put it right here. Yes. And a little bit of wording, sticker. Out comes my folder, storage folder. I was thinking of using this green. Just to, you know, bring out some colors here. Yeah. My one of my favorites, washi sticker. The wording washi sticker. Keep a big smile. I think brown would look good. And also I think a little dot sticker here. And I was thinking of using this somewhere. Maybe here? Yeah, it's just random dot sticker here and there, which doesn't hurt the image. Hold on, I'm looking something in this folder. Yeah, I wanted, yes, this one here. It feels like something missing here. Another storage folder of mine. I wanted some small dot sticker here. Maybe what do you guys think? Small dotted one, green. I thought I want to go with like a brown color. Do I have brown? This one? This light brown? Yeah, maybe. Let's go with this. Perfect. Okay, I think I'm happy with how this turns out. Really like this background. This. Some layering here and there. This one, super nice, super cute. Okay, so I think I'm happy with how this 2 pages turn out. I hope you enjoyed this journal with me, and until I see you guys again, stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye. Love you guys.